So, I'm sitting here, I was planning on, going out, getting some, car footage, right? Right. Well, kind of hard to go have fun at the drag strip and shit if it's closed because it's raining. Rain everywhere. So tired of the rain. But anyways, just because it's storming and everything don't mean nothing. I have videos, I'll get videos, I'll put something together, whether it's a montage or a 4th of July little little video that I have of all my friends and their muscle cars and trucks doing fun shit. So, either way, we'll have something for you.
I knew how to fly the drone.
Honestly, guys, come on, tell me. Can't go to the drag strip when it's raining. They close it. Can't do it. Just stupid. I really wish Mother Nature would make up its mind. But no fear, I will have videos of something for everybody, I promise. Actually, yeah, I have old videos of drag strip a couple years ago and a bunch of stuff. Just my brothers and our cars doing somewhat stupid shit, I guess. Trans Am, all that good stuff. So, stay tuned. Check out Horsepower Suspects, Instagram and YouTube. For the record, everybody, kind of new to this, so, constructive criticism, yes. Negative comments, gonna hate, I understand, haters gonna hate. Throw it out the trash, get it out of here. I don't want to hear it. You ain't got nothing nice to say. Don't even. You got some constructive criticism, anything I need to do, anything you guys would like to see, go ahead, comment. You know what to do. Comment.
Hold it. Back to the back.
I'm gonna piss off her brother because I talk about his truck all the time and her brother wants to see it. Hey! Ow!